Hello, my name is Giovanni and my partner is Chinese, and we are going to talk about the climate change. The climate change is about of all change that occur in the weather, attributed directly or indirectly to the human activity that alters the composition of the global atmosphere. In other words, is natural climate variability observed over comparable periods. For example, in many years ago, the climate was very comfortable and enjoyable, but in the last 10 years, the climate has changed a lot. Now it's very hot and unbearable. For us, the climate change is due to increase in concentration of or greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, of water vapor from human activity, including deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels like oil and coal. There are many effects that include more frequent extreme weather, including drops, heat waves, and heavy precipitations. Also, the extinction are expected due to temperature change and variation in the crop yield. The evidence of the climate change is based on observation of increased air temperature and the oceans, the melting ice of glaciers around the world, and rising levels worldwide. For example, here, the summer is hotter and the winter is colder. Each day that passes, the climate is changing. Our action on the planet, and this causes that the current climate is very hostile and very unpredictable. But there are different ways and options that we have to stop on decrease the damage that we cause to the our planet.
Hi, now I'm going to talk about what you can do to prevent the global warming. One thing you can do about to prevent the global warming is the use of alternative forms of energy production, and instead of continuing using burning fossil fuels which produce a lot of carbon dioxide. Another thing you can do is plant trees in your backyard or at the street. The trees are natural controllers of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and they are good to produce paper. So, recycling paper, you can save them. In the house, people can save energy and electricity by changing the light bulbs for CFL bulbs, which have which consume less energy and have more lifetime. And instead of using cars, airplanes, you can walk or ride a bicycle, take a bus or train to decrease the consume of CO2 or carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Global warming is caused by a low knowledge about it too. The knowledge must be taught to the kids and to the factory owners to make them think about new ways of making energy, and this can help to prevent the global warming. In conclusion, climate change is a serious problem that can affect the earth life. People usually blame the factories, but the truth is that we contributed too. So we have to do something that really helps the earth. Because if we let it occur, the earth life will get extincted.
And the human too. Um, Thanks for watch.